guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Gabby and today I have this beautiful makeup look for you guys using a new palette. This is the Jaclyn Hill and Morphe palette, and I know that a lot of people have used this already, but this was my first time and I really like how everything turned out. So if you want to know how I achieved this beautiful makeup look, just keep on watching. Okay, so the first thing that I'm gonna do is apply my facial spray from Mario Badescu. This is the one with aloe, cucumber and green tea, and this goes before the moisturizer. It feels so fresh, so I'm just gonna wait for it to, dry. Now we can apply our moisturizer. You can do whichever. I just use this one from Pond's and I'm gonna apply it all over my face. Okay, now that my face is super red, I'm gonna apply my primer. So the primer that I'm gonna be using is this one from Smashbox. This is the original Photo Finish Smooth and Blur Primer. So now I'm gonna apply it all over my face. Okay, so now for foundation, I'm gonna take this one from Cover FX. This is the Natural Finish Foundation in the shade N40. So I was watching this video and they said that if you want your foundation to look good, you have to add less foundation. I'm pretty sure I added a lot already, but I might try that in the future. Okay, so now I'm gonna take my beauty sponge and I'm gonna start blending everything out. Don't forget the neck. Okay, so this is the coverage that we have right now. You can still see my red spot right there. So I'm gonna add a little bit more. Am I going anywhere today? I'm not. But I just decided to sit down and film today. Okay, so here's the foundation all done. Now we're gonna go with concealer. So now for concealer, I have this one. It's new for me. I have never tried it. It's the ColourPop No Filter Concealer. And I got it in the shade Medium 26. Now taking the same sponge, I'm just gonna blend that out. Uh-oh. Okay, so now we need some contour. I have two options today and you can find both of these in Walmart. This one is Black Opal True Color. I don't know if that's the whole brand, but it's like a contour stick. This one is in the shade Nutmeg. And then you have this other choice from Revlon. This is the Insta Fix for Ready Stick. And I have this one in the shade 190 Caramel. It looks like that, and I think we're gonna use this one. Okay, so as you can see, the color is very natural. I'm just gonna blend it with this Real Techniques brush and we'll see how it looks. So this is how the Revlon one looks like, and it looks really nice, but I'm just gonna add a little bit of this one, the other one, just to see how it looks. Yeah, this one's way darker. Now I'm just gonna take this translucent powder from Laura Mercier and I'm gonna apply it everywhere where we apply the concealer, and I'm just gonna try to make the contour line more sharp. Okay, so you can leave it like that for a little bit just so it sets the makeup in place. So now I'm gonna do my eyebrows. Okay, so for eyebrows, I don't have anything new, but I do have this really old eyebrow powder. You can find this at Walmart. The brand is Salon Perfect, and I'm gonna take this Morphe brush. Okay, so now that I have my eyebrows done, I'm just gonna take this Morphe fluffy brush and I'm gonna take the powder away. Okay, so now for bronzer, I'm gonna use this palette from Too Faced. This is the Cocoa Contour. I'm guessing this is for contour, but I'm still gonna use it for bronzer. So those are the shades that we have. I think I'm gonna take this one for my bronzer. Okay, so before we jump into the eyes, I'm gonna apply some highlighter. This one is from Wet n Wild, and I'm gonna apply it with another Real Techniques brush. And now, this is the star of today's video. This is the Jaclyn Hill and Morphe palette. I know this has been out for a while. I have had it for a while, but I just never got around using it. So today is the day. So this is my first time opening this palette. So there you can see them up close. They're super beautiful shades. I am not sure what I want to do. I'm thinking maybe some blue eyeshadow since my nails are blue. They're not the same shade, but this is a shimmery shadow. So it's, I'm gonna have to use these orange shades, brown shades, and then apply that maybe on my lid. We'll see what we come up with. Okay, so the first shade that I'm gonna take is this one right here, the third one. And I'm gonna apply it all over my lid like this. I'm just gonna keep adding some browns and make it as deep as I can go, and then just apply the blue shimmer shadow on the lid. So now I'm gonna take this shade right here, and I'm also gonna apply it on the crease. I love this shade. Now for the outer corner, I'm gonna take this shade right here, and I'm just gonna blend using the same brush that we were using before. Okay, so now I'm gonna swatch this color just to see how it looks. Wow, that's vibrant. Oh my god. That is such a beautiful shade. These shadows have been so easy to blend. I am in love. Okay, so this is how it's looking right now. I'm just gonna take a little bit of this shade right here, and I'm gonna apply it on the crease, and then a little bit of this one, and I'm gonna apply it on the corner of the eye, because we want to make the corners deeper so it looks better. Okay, so now I'm gonna take this shade right here, and I'm gonna apply it on the bottom lash line. Okay, so now I'm gonna take this shade right here, and I'm gonna apply it on the inner corner. Oh my god, it's so pretty. Okay, so now I'm just gonna add some black liner. This one is from Lancome, and I'm just gonna put it on the waterline. I'm thinking I want the bottom lash line to be a little bit more dark, so I'm just gonna add a darker shade on top of that one. Now I'm gonna do some wing liner, and I'm also gonna apply some falsies. Where are my lashes? The lashes that I'm gonna be using today are these ones from Kiss. They are the number 11. Okay, so lashes are on, and while I'm waiting for them to dry, I'm gonna add some mascara. Okay, so this is the mascara that I'm gonna be using. This one's from Benefit, and it's called They're Real. I'm applying mascara on the top lashes so my natural lashes can blend with the fake ones, and also a little bit on the bottom lashes. Okay, so we are almost done. I'm gonna be taking this liquid lipstick from Anastasia in the shade Hudson. We have to set our makeup, and today I'm gonna be taking this setting spray from Too Faced. This is the Hangover setting spray. Okay, you guys, so here is our makeup all done. I am in love with how everything turned out, and I have to say I really like the Jaclyn Hill and Morphe palette because it has a lot of shades. They're really easy to blend and really easy to use. I really like this makeup look. And okay, you guys, so that's everything for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys!